transverse-engined vehicles, when carrying out repair operations like clutch or gearbox removal, a common method for supporting the engine is a transmission jack. This method has one big disadvantage, however. Once the jack is in place, the hoist cannot be lowered or raised. The answer is the new engine and gearbox support beam from Laser Tools. The support frame is quickly and easily fitted, and the engine or gearbox height can be adjusted from underneath. It features a safety locking mechanism that ensures that it does not come apart while fitting. The frame hooks under and pivots on the main cross member. Then the weight of the engine is transferred to the rear support legs, letting the engine or gearbox height be easily adjusted from underneath. Once locked into position, the engine or gearbox is safely supported and the vehicle hoist can be lowered or raised. As well as being a terrific time saver, the support beam makes things accessible and difficult jobs become easy. A great advantage when removing the engine mounts to gain access during a cam belt change, for example.